Hello, everyone. I'm Zachary. Today, takes you to experience a new way of outdoor cleaning. Provide power for pulse laser cleaning machines. Through V2G technology of new energy vehicles, this method not only solves the problem of outdoor use but also is the perfect combination of environmental protection and high efficiency. This new energy vehicle is not only your daily travel tool, but now it also transforms into a potent power source for laser cleaning machines. Now, let's take a look at how the pulse laser cleaning machine uses a new energy vehicle to charge the pulse laser cleaning machine. You only need to buy such an external discharge plug and connect the machine to the vehicle. It is straightforward. After the connection is completed, let's take a look at the effect of outdoor cleaning. As you can see, the cleaning effect is shocking. Rust and paint are removed in an instant, leaving the metal surface looking brand new. The pulse cleaning machines cause negligible damage to substrates. More importantly, laser cleaning has no harmful chemical solvents and no consumables. It is pollution-free and fully meets the needs of modern industry for green environmental protection. Improving efficiency and effects. Pulse laser cleaning machines not only reduce time and labor costs, but also avoid the complicated steps of traditional cleaning methods. Its convenience and innovation provide an ideal solution for various outdoor working environments. Through this new method of combining vehicle and pulse laser cleaning machines, we have broken the limitations of traditional cleaning and provided a more flexible, environmentally friendly and efficient cleaning solution. Whether in a city or in a remote area, as long as the vehicle can reach it, cleaning can easily start. After the pulse laser cleaning machine is connected to the new energy vehicle, you can use it to start the cleaning task. New energy vehicle plus pulse laser cleaner, eco-friendly, efficient, convenient. Wall stains sweep away.